Chickens and ducks coming out. You guys think I can add more chickens to this? I don't have enough. I need to make an extension if I get some. Yeah, give them some food and water. Come on, you can go. My Rhode Island Red. Her name is Red. Very original. And then we got the White Sussex. Sully. There you go. We got Buff Sussex, which I think it's pretty much the same breed as well. Different colour. That's Ginger, the Black Rock with a black star. Whichever you call the breed. Her name's Raven, because I think she looks like a raven and like a crow. And the two ducks, two Kakakamba ducks, both females, but they both male names, Donald Duck, Daffy Duck. Very original, I know. Then these two Egypts, I can't seem to walk out the door. That's a Coco Mon, something like that. Her name's Peanut. And then that's a Bluebell. She's original name, her name's Bluebell. That's why I named the Bluebell chicken. Thinking about adding some more. If I do, I'll probably have to make an extension off this. Get a toad one of these extension. Put it back here. Buy them a bigger sleeping area as well. The drilling. 8 boards altogether. I have 2 ducks, 6 chickens. One to probably buy more chickens. Ducks are a bit of work, so I might just keep it at 2. Or maybe get a third one. I say no more than 4. Because they are a bit of... You can only buy Kakakambas where I am, so if I could buy different breeds I would, but I can only really get Kakakambas. Yeah, they're funny to look at, Steve. They're funny looking guys, Kakakambas. Why are they so stupid? Let's get these guys out. Keep on there. Peanut, this way. Gotta walk out. This way. No. There you go. Bluebell. What's she doing? No one go outside. Like Rocky, have to fucking chase these chickens. Look, Rocky chases chickens, you know, it's fucking easy to chase chickens. I tell you what's tough to do is chase ducks. Chasing ducks, that's when it's tough. If Rocky was chasing ducks, he would have better power creed the first time. We wouldn't have any more Rocky movies. These ducks will make you fit chasing them. There you go. Yeah, the apple tree went to shit. I thought I was gonna be able to sell some apples, but they just fucked. It just didn't come out right at all. The first day I sold some with a gut, but then No one really wanted any, so... Oh, stop fine. So what does field? Do you think I should add anything else to it? I was thinking maybe a pony or maybe goats. I'm not too sure, because it's decent size. Ginger. She's one of my favourite chickens. I think she could be a show chicken. She's so nice looking. Oh, sorry. Here's probably everyone's favourite. She's fun. Dog. What do you know? I'll be eating my chickens. Nah, stay out. My dog Chook died recently, so I think he's looking. This was his friend. He's looking for him. Yeah, stay out, man. Out, stay. No, out, out, home, home. Good dog. How you doing, Red? Yeah, back with the farm vlogs. Haven't done them in 3 months. Nobody watches them, but I kind of like doing them. You know, think about getting a rabbit. Because I could put him in the corner somewhere and he wouldn't be taking up much space. Look at that. I think a rabbit would be a good idea. Maybe 1 or 2 rabbits. Just as pets, not to eat or anything. What do you guys think? I could put a coop over here, wouldn't even take up much space. Still could buy something else. But I think, should I get a rabbit? Golf club. Where's it golf club? Got a couple of eggs, not too bad. 2 eggs in there. Better get them some more food and some water. The cows look good. Not my cows, neighbours' cows. I like looking at them. What's this fucking flashlight on? See, these are all bottles, which is pretty cool. In the area I live in, it's mainly beef cows. That's the main farming type. Not much people have chickens like me. Just surprising because back in the day everyone used to have chickens around here. Nowadays I think it's just me and one other neighbour. I don't know why, is this coming off fucking really white? So I'm turning on my fucking camera. Great. Looks very shiny. Let's get these guys some food and some water. And over here is where I keep the food. In this old trash can. As you guys can see. Because I'm filming, I'm going to do it differently. Because most of the time what I do is put into the bucket, and I'm just gonna walk over. Fuck's sake, I think I see what's wrong with this fucking camera. What's that? There we go. What the fuck was going on? That's how you know it's amateur hour over here. Dempsey Ranch. Some food. I like feeding them in this. My brother and my dad feeds them in buckets like this. I like feeding them the green tea. I think it's less messy now. Now I'll go get them some water. This is actually a must have if you're working with chickens and feeding them, because I used to use my fucking hands. But this is so handy for just grabbing the feed. Clean out the ducks, make it fucking messy. Might need to buy a separate one for the ducks and separate one for the chickens. So we just clean it off. I mean, at the end of the day, they are wild and they are, you know, they drink dirty water, so it doesn't have to be spotless. You know, it has to be clean, you know. Nice and clean for them. This thing has been a lifesaver. It's very handy. Shit. Probably my longest video I've done in a long time. And no one's gonna watch it because of that. The shorts supposed to do alright, but the long videos don't do too well. But yeah, I do. Which one's your guys' favourite chicken? I really like about my chickens is it's a mixed flock, different breeds, so they look nice and colourful. Most people on Ireland either just get a bunch of Rhode Island Reds, which are a really good breed. I do kind of add some more just for the eggs. But I think it's boring just having the one chicken breed. You might as well get different types. Why not? They all get along. Add some ducks too to your flock. Anyways, that's probably gonna be it. Random ass, long ass video. I hope to do more long farm vlogs, but actually have something planned for them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next. Goodbye.